Record na. Hello, good morning, Lucille. Oh, ayan, kasalukuyan nagpapak na si tita mo. Ay, papak, hindi pa pala. Kinukuha isa-isa, inaayos yung mga ligo. Ayan, nakita mo yung mga ligo. Kararating lang namin galing sa Divisoria. Diyos ko, province tuloy na sabi ko. Ayun, ang mga inaayos niya para ma-record nga. Katulad nito, yan, ako, akta mo manika, ang dami. Mga manika yan. Hanggang baba yun, nilagay niya sa ilalim. Mga manika. Ayan naman ang mga kotse ng batang mga lalaki. Iba't iba. Mga sasakyan. Nakita mo?
Ate, yung date ngayon, tsaka yung oras ngayon.
Oo nga pala, no. Ano ba ngayon? December 6, linggo, 5:45. 5:45. Ayan, tinitingnan ko pa yung oras, hawak-hawak ni Flor. Siya teacher ko ngayon eh. Oh. Ngayon, eto, nakikita ko sa'yo. Ang mga napamili namin, 2 days kaming namili. Ayun. Dito naman, meron din kaming napamili. Padadala ko sana kay Han tong mga clip. Ang dami-dami, ang gaganda. Ito naman yung aking Christmas tree. Itong ba yung Christmas tree ko? Punong-puno ng mga larawan ng animals. Yan mga animals. Hello, Han. What can you say about the Mickey Mouse and his company? They are sitting beside my Christmas tree. How about the picture of your mom above my cabinet? And this is your so many clips. Look, I bought this only for you and for Clo-Clo. And this is the picture, our picture. This was taken. Baka mahina ang boses ko.
Ano mo sa may, mismo video tapos na yung boses mo sa video.
You see? Oh, this was taken when I was there with your mom. When we were in the what's that? That is our picture. And this is your Uncle Franz, Tito Franz, and you standing over your mom, beside your mom. And your dad? Where is your dad? Your big dad. So that is your dad, handsome dad. This is our picture when we were in, I forget it. And there are so many cookies here. Here are some. This is what we call the Lucky Me. Noodles. The beef noodles.
And chicken noodles.
This is the beef noodles, and the other one is the chicken noodles. Beside me are the carne norte. What we call that? Carne norte. And beside carne norte is sugar, the cookies,
Corn beef yan, te.
corn beef,
Yes.
and the other one is candies. Lollipops.
Ate.
And the
Coffee.
other one is the coffee make blend. So many blend coffee. Paano mo mapapalayo ito?
At saka sugar. Sugar pa. Vanilla.
Wala. Blend coffee. And this is the 1 caban of rice. And the ligo, the red ligo and the green ligo.
Ligo sardines.
Oh, sardine. There are towels over there. 3 towels, ano? Ilan yan? 12, 24. 24 plus 2, 4, 6. 6, 27.
27 pieces.
Oh, 27 pieces. Kahit isa wala sobra para sa akin floor.
Hindi. Ginawa natin 30 pieces.
30 pieces. And this is the,
Kilo. Para sa pang-kilo.
pang kilo.
For
We
weighing rice.
We will give 2 kilos for each pupil.
Every
2 kilos only.
And this the pambalot.
Hintayin namin tutulong daw si Tita Gay mo, si Tita Ina, pagbalot ng mga binili namin ni Tita Flor mo. Dami, nakita mo? So many.
Much gracias.
About Han, what can you say about the dolls over there? So many? So many dolls. How many, Tita Flor? 15?
Yes, ate.
Yes. How about the car, the toys of the boys? How many? The toys? How many? So many?
25 yata. Yan.
25, 27.
27.
27. Oh, ikaw naman, salita. Okay.
Maraming tao sa Divisoria, kamuti.
Daming tao, ilong-ilo kami ni Tita Flor mo. It's good that
Kasi
Tita Flor helps me so much.
Tapos, kailan mo i-distribute?
Sa Tuesday, iaano na namin, pamimigay namin. At makikita mo rin din, ire-record ko para makita mo.
Kung sino yung
Okay na?
magugustuhan.
Ayan.
Mamaya uli pagka nag-report.
Mamaya uli pag nagripa kami Okay, bye. I love you, Hana. This is your grandma. Grandma.
Regards.
Hello,
Lucille.
Clockley. Clocklo.
Hi, Ali. Regards. Hi, Ali. Hi, Lucille. Hi, Ali. Hi, Lucille. Regards na lang sa inyo dyan. Siguro ang lamig-lamig dyan. Thank you sa Christmas gift. Thank you.
500
Sa 500.
Ay, tsaka Tita Lu.
Oo, 3 kami binigyan. Si Kuya Luis, si Ate Guy, tsaka kami.
Kala nila $500.
The green money. Hindi pala si Ninoy.